yet. We may fuck it up.
Treating me right from this side of the wall. I'm thinking it's time to turn on a dime for the Sierra Monterey call. I caught a wind from a friend of a friend about a mighty wealth untold. If the stories are true, nothing left to do but head down to Mexico. Desert wind blowing me away again. Now you're my only friend I got left to call. Bought a two-bit mule from a horse thieving fool across the Rio Grande below. Clear, but I had not a feel where the Federal road. Once I was through, I knew what to do. I had to send that old mule home. I'm now on a trail that lead most to hell after Pancho Villa's gold. It's that desert wind blowing me away again. Now you're my only friend I got left to call.